Hey guys, welcome back to a brand new video. This is Trader. Hopefully you guys have been having some fun trading and most importantly being profitable. If not a problem, I've got another video for you. Let's get into it. Okay guys, so look, I don't claim to be a guru. My videos aren't of the highest quality in terms of editing. These are off the cuff concepts that work in the real market. If you want to learn, then please watch the full video. Without further ado, let's get into my concept. So guys, if you guys have seen my previous video of the 3 peaks, which is how to reduce your losses, I explain a strategy there that you can use. However, I'm revisiting this topic because this strategy is popping up everywhere. And this is most important for you Top Step, Apex, Prop Firm, Challenge people. I'm sharing some secret sauce right now because it's perfect for us, because technically we're not trading with real live money, right? And it's all simulated. So it's perfect for us because we won't actually change anything and these will keep coming up daily. So what is the 3 peaks? Because most of you might be new and haven't seen my latest video. So the 3 peaks, let's get into the first one. So it's 1 point of interest, followed by 2 points of interest, followed by 3 points of interest. So I've done that wrong for you guys. So first point of interest is here. Second point of interest is here. And third point of interest is here. So why are these points of interest? Well, first, because we made a new form high. Second is we've made a new high from a reversal. And then third is because we've made a new high from a previous dip over the low in the current range, right? So after the second point of interest, what you do is you draw your trend line down. And this has 3 rules and 3 rules only. So after the first point of interest and after the second point of interest, you draw your trend line. And then the third point of interest is you label somewhere where it's technically the same, not the same, but somewhere where you feel confident that this will hit. So right there. And what happens, right, is in order for you to get in, it needs to hit your sell limit. And we only go in after our sell limit. So here would be our sell limit. Sell limit. So remember, we're always shorting in this situation. So where do we put our take profit? Well, I always put my take profit at the previous form high. So I know what you're going to say. Some rules in trading don't allow too much drawdown. And most importantly, especially Top Step, it has a daily loss limit of 1,000. However, if you want to trade micros, that's absolutely fine. But I find myself in certain situations where I don't actually accumulate much drawdown, as you can see in this current trade. So our stop loss would be above this line because that's our second form of interest with a high. Stop loss. Where would our take profit be? Well, I've been studying this move for a long time, and this can range between anywhere from 1 point to 100 points. However, in the past, I've been quite greedy, little piggy. So I've been burnt out a few times. Well, not burnt out, but think it's going to go lower than it is, and it hasn't. And then taking profits that I've had, maybe 10 minutes ago, right? So I always target between 10 and 40 points. Usually 40 points because I know it's going to hit there. So from this point, which is 62, I would be targeting, let's just say 20, right? 1820. However, let's say if you had 2 micros on, right? You might set your first one to hit 40, but in this current range, if it goes below this line, we know that we might have some liquidity sweep down to this prior low. So hold your second contract down until you want to take it out. Anyway, the reason why I'm sharing this with you guys, specifically the new traders and the prop firm traders, is because this is all simulated money. And it's a high probability setup. So we never went above the stop loss. We had minimal drawdown and we took a massive reward. Let's see how many times this crops up. So we've got one here. To here, right? First point of interest, followed by second point of interest, followed by the third point of interest, right? Just for new sake. So we draw the trend line after the second point of interest, and then we put our sell limit towards the middle of our top, right? If it doesn't work out that it does hit the limit, don't worry, don't put in. Or if you think the move is going to go down without you, maybe put in. But what I do is, if my limit doesn't hit, I don't do the trade, even though it might turn out to be golden. That's my rule. But these rules, remember, is first point of interest, second point of interest, draw the trend line, third point of interest, put your sell limit. You never put it on the fourth, you never put it on the second, you never put it on the first. It's always the third, okay? So 1, 2 already in the space. Where else? Well, for instance, this high to this high. And across. First point of interest, second point of interest, third point of interest. So when we put in, let's say here, 45 to 70, minimal drawdown, and then we go down roughly 200 points, right? Let's go again. First point of interest, second point of interest, third point of interest, right? First, second, or if you wanted to do this as second, then that's fine, and then you put your sell limit there. Or if you wanted to have this as your third and put your sell limit here, absolutely fine. This one would be minimum drawdown. This one would be a little bit, but like you see, big rewards. Where else? Remember, this works on the flip side, right? This is just to show you little trades. 1, 2, put your sell limit here. What happens? So from here to there, it is 8-point move. And what happens is we capitalize on an 8-point move to the upside. And we go down 50 points, right? Easy. Previous day. That's all in one day, by the way. Okay. Let's just go from this to that, right? First, second, third. Sell limit above this line. Do we hit it? No, we don't. Do we go to the downside with minimal drawdown? Yes. What else have we got? First point of interest, second point of interest, third point of interest. In every one of these setups, we go down. Second one, we go down. Third one, we go down with minimal drawdown. Take this for instance, right? First point of interest, second point of interest, third point of interest. Let's just say the third point of interest was actually this one. You've still got minimum drawdown. We haven't gone above this line. And we've took a huge reward against the market. Really simple setup, guys. Only technical analysis only. To new traders, this is absolutely golden for passing prop firm challenges, especially maybe Apex, where you can pass in 1 day. And Top Step, obviously we have a daily loss limit, but you can pass in 2 days. Use micros or minis, but I really wanted to share this with you guys because it's really simple to follow. Really simple to follow, and it has really strict rules. Okay, but listen, guys, it's a really, really good setup, and I'm really glad that I could share it with you. Last one. Do a big one. Right? Maybe you want to wait a bit. First point, second point, third point, we don't go above this line and we go to the downside. And remember, we put our sell limit to here, take profit down here, and our take profit's been hit with minimal drawdown. Okay, guys, well, if you like the video, please subscribe, please like and comment so we can get more people to see this strategy. And I hope this has helped. So, peace, guys, and I'll see you on the next one.